Welcome to Automation Desk. Please like and subscribe for get more informative videos related to inverter and PLC programming.
Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is how to download Delta PLC software wplsoft from Google. First of all, we will open Google and here we will search for Delta Download Center. Double click on Delta Download Center. Delta website has opened. We will go to product selection portion and make some necessary selections. Here we will select industrial automation. And here we will select PLC programmable logic controller. After that, in filter, check on software. In the language portion, check in English. These are all the Delta softwares. Here we will find WPL software v2.52. This is the software file which have the size of 81.1 MB. Double click on this file. The downloading has started. It will take few time for downloading. After that, we will go for installation of this file. Hopefully you understand how to download wplsoft from Delta website. In the next video we will show its installation method. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.